Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can become seller on Temu. Now you cannot do this through Temu app. You need to go to the website called Pinduoduo, which is basically a supporting website or a selling website of Temu. You want to search for Pinduoduo login, and after you search for Pinduoduo login, the first option over here, Pinduoduo login, click on it. It'll take you to the official website of Pinduoduo. Now over here, this is going to be on Japanese, so you can convert it to Chinese or something else, whichever you want. So I'm going to translate this page first. I will click on translate and it's going to be translated. So what I'm going to do is over here, basically I'm going to log in into my account. Now if you don't have an account, what you want to do is you want to search for Pinduoduo account creation. The reason I showed you login first was because for those people who already have the account, you can just log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can search for Pinduoduo account creation and click on this. It'll take you to the account creation page of Pinduoduo. Over here, first you need to enter your mobile number and then set a password for your account. After you do that, you need to click on get verification code. Once you click on get verification code, a verification code is going to be sent to your mobile number to verify if that mobile number belongs to you. Enter the code which you receive on the SMS of your mobile and click on register. And an account under this number and this password will be created. Once you're inside Pinduoduo, you can fill the form up to create a store so you will be able to sell on Temu. So I hope you understand how we guys can become seller on Temu. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.